You really finna change in front of me?
You need to like turn around, close your eyes, do something. I can't.
Just called me and told me pretty much just to get ready, and I honestly have no idea what she has in store for me. She said she has a challenge. Normally I'm the one doing the challenges, but she hit me up saying she got a challenge today, so I'm finna just bring the camera and show y'all what she has in store for me, because really I don't even know what to expect, because normally she never hits me up for stuff like this. So let me go get ready before she gets here, because she said she's gonna be here already and I haven't started getting ready. So we'll see what we got in store for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn that post notification on, share with your mom, your dad, your grandma, everybody in your family, and enjoy the video. Let's go. Liz just got here. She just pulled up.
What's good, YouTube? Oh shoot, what's that? What's up, YouTube?
What's up, man? What we got in store for today?
Ready for today?
I'm kind of
Alright, give
scared.
me your left hand real quick.
My left hand?
Yeah.
What you mean my left hand for?
Just give me your left hand.
Why'd I give you my left hand?
Just give me your left hand, bro.
Bro, chill. I'm not doing that shit. Yo, chill.
No,
Bro, chill. I'm not. This shit is annoying. This shit.
Nope.
I'm not doing this shit.
We're stuck. All right, so basically we're handcuffed for a day. You have 3 challenges. You have to pass all 3 challenges to win in cash. I'm literally gonna give you 1K, like in cash. Like seriously.
You finna give me 1K?
Yeah, I'm serious.
By the way you laugh, I feel like you're
No, I'm serious, but I'm trying to bless my homies, you know what I'm saying?
You know what? I'm already in the car. I literally cannot get. I literally did this challenge already, and this was the worst bit. I hated my day. Like, I did not have a fun time doing this.
Well, this time, you know, you're money driven, so it should be better. But I'm not gonna tell you what we're gonna do until we get there.
Okay, so just.
Yeah, so we're going to our first destination.
Okay, and it's fucking hot as shit in here.
My AC don't work.
Oh my.
I was just telling them that my AC kind of broke. I mean, it works, but it don't get cold in here. Like,
so what's if it's blowing hot?
Yeah, it blows like wet. You feel it? That been blowing hot.
Oh no.
Okay, so yeah, let's get it.
Oh my god.
Wait, how do I drive? I drive with my right hand.
You're just gonna have to. Wow, why would you put your right hand on this?
No, I'll drive with my left hand.
We're gonna die.
Wait, I gotta put my seatbelt on.
We're gonna die.
Wait, I should've got my seatbelt first.
Why did you?
Come down.
Oh
bro.
my god.
Okay, put your seatbelt on, cause it's about to be a wild maniac.
Oh my god, please pray for me, y'all, please.
So round 1 is gonna be, you're gonna have to pick out an outfit and help me try it on for this weekend. It's my sister's bachelorette party, whatever, and I want a cute outfit.
Okay, so I have to go get you an outfit. We'll help you pick out an outfit, right?
Yeah, like you have to go in the dressing room with everything. You can't.
I have to go in the dressing room for you?
Yes, like you cannot. We cannot break our bond.
How are you finna change in front of me?
Close your eyes. Ew, you nasty! He's excited for this challenge. Oh, my real question is, we both got the doors open, do we? How are we gonna get out of this car?
Well, you finna put your one leg over here.
No,
and your other leg over here.
You jump this way.
Why would I? I'm bigger than you.
So, not by much.
So why would I hop over this way? It's gonna be even more hassle for me to go through that way when you could just hop over here.
Fine, bro. Wait. Ow, wait, ow!
Put one foot over.
Okay, wait.
Okay, see, now he's gotta hop over. Alright, we're good.
Where are we going? To get me a fit. Oh, where are we going? How does this fit look? Wait, now let's try it. Should we try it?
That really look like the Met guy. That looks kind of clean though.
No, don't do that.
Hey, leave in the comments if you think that's looking kind of clean.
No, don't do that.
That's kind of fine. Just saying.
Okay.
I don't even like shopping with my mom. Now I have to shop with her.
Don't do that.
Like, girls take forever. Like, literally forever when they shop.
Y'all guys take forever, especially when you're looking for shoes and how many shoes you got.
Okay, pink.
Oh, it's a t-shirt dress. Wait, this is actually gas.
That's a Calvin Klein pink right there.
Oh, medium and pink. How much this is? $20?
$20.
Let's try it on. Let's try it on.
$20. There's no way, bro. Oh my god.
think you're on the small. Come on.
What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god.
There was a guy watching the entrance. Yeah, and he watched us come in. He gonna watch us come out and he looking at us weird.
You gonna think we're doing some content in here. You gonna have the content.
No, I gotta try on a shirt, but I gotta try on a shirt. Okay.
Oh god. You really finna change in front of me?
You need to like turn around, close your eyes, do something. I can't. This is 24-hour challenge. Come on, we gotta win $1,000.
Okay. I'm not gonna lie, I closed my eyes.
Colors!
I'm not looking.
Colors! Somebody's out there.
I don't know. He's
What?
There's somebody dead ass right there.
Yes.
I don't even know what to do.
Okay, hear me out. We just... she'll never see us again. We'll just risk it for the biscuit.
Honestly, fuck it. No. We should just look, y'all.
Wait, I can cover her the handcuffs like this. We'll just walk up.
That's kind of smooth, but...
Yeah, like this.
Yeah, okay, bro.
Okay, okay.
Okay, go. Go for that shit. The guy's looking at me.
100%. She swore we was doing something. She's like, this is a woman's, a woman's changing room. You know, Carlos got a show. Normally, I charge people like $500.
Hey man, honestly, I feel like I already won the challenge. I don't even need $1,000 after that.
Ain't no way.
We can end the video right here, baby. We all good. I'm happy with what I got already. We fine.
So he passed challenge 1. All right, I'm kind of hungry though.
What you want to eat? We in the food court, so like, what you want?
I don't want food court. I want a restaurant.
A restaurant?
A restaurant.
You so bougie. What the
We're gonna go to a restaurant together.
Okay, but before we go to the restaurant, I have to go use the bathroom. And hey, your rules.
No, bro.
Handcuffed 24 hours.
Nah.
So you have to go to the bathroom.
No, I'm not going to the bathroom with you while you peeing, bro.
You can't say that too loud, bro. You becoming a little loud, dog. What the fuck?
Carlos, I'm not going to the bathroom.
Let's go, come on. Come a little closer.
No, I'm not coming closer.
Can you hold it for me?
No. Hold what? Hold what?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
We're in the
I'm sorry.
together. We're not kind of bathroom here. Okay.
I'm sorry.
You're acting like we're outside.
Hurry up. Just take your pants
I
off.
can't focus.
How?
I can't focus. I need you to be quiet, please. Wait until you hear the stream over.
Why do you have to focus? What do you mean it's coming? Oh my god, you're really not doing this.
This is so hard with one hand.
Ew. Wait. Wait.
What's up?
I need to go to the bathroom too.
No.
No, I'll hold it though. I'm not doing this. I'll wait a whole 24 hours.
Sure, I gotta shake it.
Shrink it.
Shake it.
Oh, ew. Ew. Is that what you guys do?
I gotta wash my hands.
That's so disgusting. You didn't flush the toilet. No, flush it. Ew, why is your pee like neon? Someone's in here.
Just put our head down and just keep it moving.
No. Just start. You didn't flush the toilet.
Okay, we don't have time to flush.
No, yes, we do.
I think we're just gonna have to run out.
You just run or just sprint?
It's just like not sprint the pool. It's just like pulling a band-aid off. Like if we go slow, it's gonna be more embarrassing for us. So if we go fast, we'll be straight.
Okay, ready?
So as soon as you open the door, we're just gonna have to take off.
Oh man, no.
Yo, how you want to do your own video, but you're not up for your own challenges? Literally. how you feel about that? How you feel? Let's get a quick.
My heart was like literally in my butthole. It was the security guard.
Yeah. All right, so I think we're gonna leave them all now.
Yeah, we're just gonna leave them all because this is too much for me.
All right, so on to the next destination. We'll see y'all there. Thought getting out of her car was hard, being handcuffed, and now
it's gonna be easy.
In her, you think it'll be easy?
Yeah.
All right.
Come like this. Wait. Wait. I need your arm to be a little more flexible.
Oh, don't throw my arm now. Okay. What are you doing?
I don't know. Look, that's not that.
I just need your ass. I just need your ass.
No, it wasn't even. It was like the bottom of my back. Right? This cute.
I was.
Damn, you think my booty's that hard?
See, we're at Hooters. And you said challenge 3 is here.
2.
Challenge 2. Challenge 2 is here. I'm guessing I'm gonna have to pick up a girl's number.
You're gonna have to get her phone number.
While being handcuffed to you.
Yes. I'll be like caressing your shoulder while you play with her.
No way. Oh my god. Okay.
All right, y'all.
I guess let's get ready.
We're gonna see you inside.
The sliders, and then for my side, can I have a little bit of Tori?
Sorry, but I don't think I'll be able to fit on the menu now. See, I don't fit on that. Oh, okay. Yes. Go on.
No. But
Yes, ma'am.
but can I get the sliders though, the fries?
Yeah. Do you want the burger, chicken, or combo?
The burger and the fries.
Burger. All right. You okay with mustard, cheese, and ketchup?
Yeah, that's all fine. And then I was wondering too, like, can I get your number?
My number? I actually have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend? Oh, it's okay. I got a girlfriend too, but
Yeah. See, I mean, you
it don't matter.
No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't.
Instagram?
Yeah, I'm asking.
She had a boyfriend though.
I don't give a damn. I just want her Instagram. We could be friends. I could be boyfriend number 2. The first one didn't know what to do. Boyfriend number 2. One more question. Since I couldn't get your number, can I get your Instagram?
I'll give you my Instagram.
All right, I'll take that. I would say at least it's better than nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, we are at the last and final challenge, and you obviously see.
Yeah, I see. We're at a freaking basketball court.
We're at the basketball court, you know what I'm saying? And you're gonna have to 1v1 me to 3 and win with these handcuffs on.
How are we gonna 1v1 it? Literally, like, look at this. How we're gonna
Okay.
fight?
I don't know, but you gotta figure it out.
Oh my god.
It's for content, y'all. For the content.
Hey, right, comment right now down below who you think's gonna win, me or Liz. If you don't comment me, come on.
Yeah, comment Team Liz, cause you believe in me. You're gonna beat me with this big old black ball.
Pause. First one to 3, and I'm gonna make this quick.
Wait, there's one right behind you. I can't shoot with my leg. I can't shoot. You did not make it. Wait, that's not fair because you right-handed and No, wait, switch hands. Switch hands.
Back it up.
No, because you got what? No, bruh, that's not fair. I'm not left-handed. No, that's not. Switch, bruh. No.
That's 2.
I'm not left-handed.
All right.
I'm not left-handed.
Why you getting mad?
Why are you moaning? Like you're taking a dump.
Damn.
You're not. You'd be calm. Bro, this is impossible.
It is. It's the fucking handcuffs.
Nah, bro.
All right, last point. No handcuffs then. Don't throw my handcuffs like that. All right, I'll give you that point.
All right, let's finish this shit.
Open the slap.
Oh my God.
All right, you lock in, girl.
I ain't gonna lie. Come on, $1,000. $1,000 right now. You're not about to do that.
Hey, come on, man.
Carlos did win the $1,000. I'm about to give it to you. I got it cash.
I already feel like she capping. I ain't gonna cap.
All right, bro. Congratulations. You won $1,000 fair and square. 24 hours It's 1K. You won 1K. Congratulations. Go buy yourself a drink.
Oh wow. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't never doing another video with Liz again until she gives me my 1K. Hey, y'all leave in the comments right now. Give Carlos his 1K. Until then, I'm not being another video of Liz.